Want to make $10,000 per month while you sleep? I'm going to show you how, using digital products that generate passive income. Keep reading to see how much money you need to invest, how much work is involved, and how risky each method is, ranked from least to most profitable. For over a year, I've built and tested dozens of businesses. These 7 income streams are the only ones that actually worked. I will give you a quick overview of how to create them, so you can get started immediately. I am Nairobi from BrightnUp. Let's jump right in. Creating my first digital product was terrifying. Would anyone actually buy it? But I'll never forget the feeling of that first sale notification. It was 2 a.m. I was lying in bed and my phone pinged. That one ping, the sound of possibility. I'd made money while I slept. Explore the world of digital products on Etsy. A quick search reveals a huge variety of options. Browse through different categories to spark your own creative ideas. Want to see what's hot? Analyze the marketplace. You'll discover tons of shops selling unique digital items. Plus, Everbee Research Analytics give you valuable insights into average pricing, popular products, and sales figures. And now, I want to share a resource that can help you fast-track your own digital product journey. BrightAISuccess is your ultimate shortcut. This all-in-one AI-powered toolkit provides everything you need to create, launch, and sell profitable digital products. Starting today. What's inside? 1,200 plus digital product ideas, crafted for small business success. SEO-optimized keywords, step-by-step scripts. Effortlessly create high-converting digital products. 15 plus niches and 50 categories. 4 free customizable Canva ebook templates. Canva Crash Course, email marketing automation with AI, step-by-step guide with prompts. Social media ads automation with AI, step-by-step guide with prompts. 2,000 plus targeted email leads. Also, you will get exclusive bonus. 2 ready-to-sell digital products. Just change the brand name and start selling on Etsy, Gumroad, or Super Profile, or even launch your own store on Shopify. Check out the link in the description. Imagine this. You're a creative designer who's passionate about unique, custom art. You want to share it with the world and make some extra income. But what if you don't want to deal with inventory or shipping? Here's where print on demand comes in. It's just like dropshipping, but with your creativity front and center. Here's how it works. First, you pick a blank product, like a t-shirt, from a platform like BrightNUpai, one of the best out there for print on demand. Let's say the t-shirt costs about $13.50. You upload your custom artwork, making it truly unique. Once your design is ready, the next step is to set up your shop on Etsy. Etsy makes it easy for creatives to reach buyers interested in unique custom items. For instance, you can list your t-shirt for $25. When someone buys it, you earn the full sale price of $25. Here's where the magic happens. BrightNUpai receives the order, prints your design on the t-shirt, and ships it straight to the customer. You don't have to handle a single physical product. After BrightNUpai takes their share, you're left with the profit, which in this example would be $11.50. Now, here's the exciting part. This isn't just a one-time sale. As your advertising improves and more people find your listings, sales can start to roll in consistently. Print on demand is a scalable business model, so each small sale adds up to something big. If you don't have design ideas yet, you're in luck. You can use ready-made prompts like those in my digital product, 1,000 t-shirt designs mid-journey prompts. It even includes over 100 high-quality PNG images to jumpstart your creativity, all crafted to be print-ready and perfect for print on demand. Want to make money from home? Online courses are a game changer. Whether you're an expert or just passionate about a topic, I'll show you how to create your own course in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. Choose something you're passionate about and that people will pay for. Think personal development, finance, social media, or even creative skills. Research platforms like Udemy or Skillshare to see what's trending. Step 2. Outline your course. Break it into modules. Start with basics and move to advanced topics. Solve your audience's pain points. For example, if you're teaching social media, start with setting up Instagram and end with advanced growth hacks. Step 3. Create your content. Record videos, write PDFs, or make slideshows. Use tools like Canva, OBS, or just your phone. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, just helpful. Step 4. Pick your platform. Host your course on Teachable, Thinkific, Udemy, or even YouTube. Choose one that fits your goals and budget. And don't forget a killer sales page to attract students. Step 5. Market your course. Use social media, email lists, and collabs to spread the word. Share free value first, like a webinar or mini course, to build trust and excitement. And that's it. 5 steps to create your own online course. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what course you're going to create. Writing an ebook was always a dream of mine, but I never imagined it would turn into something so much bigger. Not only did it become a steady source of passive income, but it also connected me with readers from all over the world. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it incredibly easy to share your story or expertise with a global audience. And the best part? Once your ebook is out there, it works for you 24/7. The income keeps flowing, even while you sleep. If you've got a story to tell, knowledge to share, or even a unique perspective, writing an ebook can be life-changing. It's not just about the income, it's about the impact you can make. And here's the best part. I want to make it even easier for you to get started. I'm giving away a free 40-page ebook template that you can edit and customize to create your own ebook. Whether you're sharing a personal story, teaching a skill, or inspiring others, this template will guide you step by step. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Your story matters, and the world is waiting to hear it. Check the link in the description. What if you had a team of AI agents working for you 24/7, generating income on autopilot? Sounds like science fiction, but it's real, and it's changing lives. I was spending hours answering emails, researching YouTube ideas, and struggling to make money online. I was doing everything manually until I discovered AI agents and no-code AI apps. What are AI agents? AI agents are like virtual employees. They can write YouTube scripts, send emails, research trends, and even manage social media for you while you sleep. Examples of AI agent business models: AI YouTube automation, create AI-generated videos and scripts; AI customer support bots, automate customer service and charge clients; AI email outreach, sell lead generation services using AI; AI social media management, automate viral content creation. Imagine making money while your AI agent does all the work. That's the power of automation. Build AI-powered apps without coding. But what if you don't know how to code? No problem. With these AI-powered no-code platforms, you can build an app in hours. No programming needed. How to make money with AI agents and no-code apps. 1. Sell AI automation services. Offer AI workflows and chatbot automation on Fiverr and Upwork. 2. Launch an AI app. Sell subscriptions or charge per user. 3. Build and flip no-code apps. Sell AI-powered MVPs to businesses. 4. AI content creation. Use AI tools to generate and sell digital products. AI and no-code are the future. Whether you automate tasks or build AI-powered apps, the opportunity is huge. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI business hacks. Social media influencer. Imagine building a thriving social media brand without spending hours creating content. Sounds impossible. Not anymore. AI-powered tools are here to revolutionize how influencers work and earn. From YouTube automation to Instagram Reels and TikTok trends, AI tools help you create engaging, trending content without showing your face or spending endless hours editing. Here's how you can make money as an influencer. 1. Brand sponsorships. Companies pay you to promote their products. 2. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by sharing product links. 3. Sell digital products, ebooks, Canva templates, or online courses. 4. Merchandise sales. Print on demand t-shirts, mugs, and more. 5. Platform monetization. Get paid directly by YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Want to showcase your AI tool or digital product to students, entrepreneurs, and small businesses? At BrightnUp, we create high-quality tutorials and feature videos that highlight your product's value and attract the right audience. Collaborate with us. www.brightnup.in. Once your audience grows, the money starts rolling in. Monetize through AdSense, sponsorships, and digital products, all while AI handles the heavy lifting. Imagine this. You wake up to notifications of money earned while you slept. No deadlines, no boss. Just you, your brand, and AI-powered success. Ready to turn your social media into a money-making machine? Let AI do the work, so you can focus on growing your brand and living life on your terms. Affiliate marketing. What if you could earn money just by sharing products you love? No inventory, no customers, no hassle. Here's how it works. Share unique affiliate links. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or social media influencer, affiliate marketing fits seamlessly into your content. Share your favorite tools, gadgets, or courses, and get paid. The more people click your links, the more you earn. It's like having a 24/7 sales team. Start affiliate marketing today and earn while you share what you love. Everything I've shared with you today started with just a few simple ideas. With the right tools and mindset, you can build a business that brings in passive income while helping others. Don't wait. Start today with BrightAISuccess and unlock your future. If you found this video motivating, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And whatever you do, don't watch my other videos below. They might just give you even more ways to make money.